Okay, welcome to you all in this online class. Today, as you know, main topic of our discussion is media and democracy. We both are discussing over this topic from 2 3 days. I tried my best to satisfy you by explaining all the facts and giving more information and knowledge. Today, we will do some exercise work. Some questions are printed in our exercise. I will ask you some questions.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Voice is very low.
Sir,
Are
it
you
is coming
listening?
clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is coming
It
clearly.
may be net problem also.
Sir, it is coming clearly.
Okay. Some of your device is getting disturbance due to the net functioning, function of net. Now next is, first of all you see first is the paper was invented by whom?
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yes.
Chinese.
Chinese. Very good. Paper was invented by the Chinese. One question I had also said, who invented paper? Name the country or continent. So answer will be Chinese. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
No, sir.
Next, the right to information has promoted. Right?
Sir, voice is not clear.
In discipline, dependence. What will be the correct answer? हमने आपको बताया था ना, right to information brings transparency and accountability. What do you mean by accountability? Accountability means accepting responsibility, taking responsibility for one's action or decision. If government is made by the people and government takes decision for the betterment of the people, so government is accountable to the people. If any problem is there from which the people are suffering, this is the responsibility of the government to solve it. It is the accountability of the government to solve the problem. Whatever the urgent needs of the people will be there, it is the government who is accountable for it. Have you understood? So the correct answer is accountability. The meaning of this term is also given in your keywords in your book. Right? The meaning of accountability is given in the book, in the last page. Right? The right to information has promoted accountability. Now, next third question. Information provided by media should not be what? Impartial, balanced, factual, biased. Yes. What is the correct option? You have already
C.
studied. If you know the meaning of the terms, you can give the correct answer. Correct answer is what? Not be biased. आपका एक टॉपिक था ना, मीडिया द इम्पार्शियल एंड बैलेंस्ड. Media should be impartial and balanced. Have you understood? The impartial means not favor to anyone, right? Not favor to anyone without reason. I mean, illegally or impractically. So government should not be biased, right? Biased means to favor anyone blindly. Biased means to favor anyone while blindly, I mean without genuine reason. यहाँ क्वेश्चन क्या है? Information provided by media should not be. तो मीडिया को कैसा नहीं होना चाहिए? Not be biased. So correct answer is what? Biased. Have you understood? Are all of you connected
Yes,
with
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
next question 4. Who among the following is not involved? Where the term not is there, no is there, you should be more careful. Who among the following is not involved in the process of telecasting the news? Right? Who are not involving, right? Editor, cameraman, producer, technician. What will be the correct answer?
editor.
Editor,
Technician.
technician. But there are so many technicians there to help.
Editor.
Editor edits तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है, लेकिन यहाँ टेक्नीशियन होगा. ओके, एडिटर, कैमरामैन, प्रोड्यूसर, because they are involved in process of telecasting the news. Okay, next is, which country did Johannes Gutenberg belong to?
Germany.
Germany. Okay,
Germany.
I have already given you a question. Who invented printing press? What was the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Gutenberg.
Sir, repeat it again.
Who invented printing machine? Gutenberg.
Johannes Gutenberg.
Gutenberg. He used to belong to Germany. Is it clear? So, related to
Yes,
this
sir.
matter, question can be asked in any form. Again, I am revising here. I give you chance to tell your answer. Paper was invented by the Chinese. The right to information has promoted accountability. Information provided by media should not be what? Should not be? Tell me.
Biased.
Biased. Very good. Who among the following is not involved in the process of telecasting the news? Right?
Technician.
Technician. Technician. Actually, the correct answer should be editor. Now, because the technicians are needed in telecasting the news. I hope the correct answer is editor. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Editor.
Editor will be
Okay. Again, today I will search it on net. I will study it, and again I will tell you about this matter. But till the next information, you should write the correct answer, editor. Now, next is, which country did Johannes Gutenberg belong to?
Germany. Germany.
Very good, very good. Now, India has brought dash to a level where technology is media. What will be the correct answer? Advances. Advances. right? Media has brought advances to a level where technology is media. So correct answer is advances. Have you understood? Now next,
Yes, sir.
Chinese influence development of dash by inventing paper.
Printing.
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 Very good. Correct answer. Thank you.
Printing.
Yes. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, next
No,
third
sir.
question. Television affects public perception and what?
Opinion.
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 Because media helps us to create public opinion. So here opinion will be the correct answer. Opinion. Opinion. Media should not dash a class or person or an organization.
Favor.
Favor. Right? Favor. 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 I mean support. Uh, Unnecessary support. Media should not favor a class or person or an organization. Next, the right to information has promoted what? इसका आंसर दिया हुआ है तुम्हारे एक्सरसाइज में भी.
Transparency and
क्या है? ट्रांसपेरेंसी.
Transparency.
Accountability is written here. Have you understood? Just now when listen me.
Yes, sir.
I was discussing question number 2.
Yes, sir.
In the same time, I have explained this thing. So the right to information has promoted transparency and accountability. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any problem, you are free to ask the question. If any one of you lag behind just now, please tell me, I will help you. Have all of you understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Media influences our belief and attitude. Is it true or false? Media influences our beliefs and attitudes. It is true. Next, RTI was passed due to the demands of various organizations. It is true because the same line is given in your book and the meaning of this sentence is also factful, correct?
Sir, what is the full form of RTI?
Right to information. R for right, T for right, T for to, and I for information. Yesterday you have studied, I have explained. Do you know about RTI? RTI means Right to Information Act that was passed in 2005. According to RTI, any person can seek information from the government officials and other working hands of the government about their activities, about their work, right? This is called right to information. Suppose if in your area any construction, public construction work is going on, suppose road construction, dispensary building, or school, building of a school, and if person is doing this work not in a proper way, you can ask the information. You can ask about their quality of materials, about the expenses that is allowed by the government to do in that activity, in that work. If the person is contractor is, official is not doing the work properly, you can claim, you can complain, and the government officials or contractor government officials must have to give the answer to the question asked by you through the application under RTI. Have you understood? Suppose कोई पुलिस तुमको पकड़ लिया, किसी को पकड़ ली, या कोई डीएम ने कोई ऐसा काम किया जो सही नहीं है, तो आप उससे ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो। मान लो कोई स्कीम आया गवर्नमेंट का, प्रोग्राम्स का आया, कोई आया स्कीम, या आप जानना चाहते हो, सपोज यू वांट टू नो व्हाट आर द प्लानिंग्स और what are the schemes, you can ask for about the information, right? किसी ने कोई गलत किया मान लो ऑफिशियल, आप आरटीआई के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हो। And it is necessary that the officials or government or any authority concerned with the government must have to provide your answer within 30 days according to the RTI, Right to Information Act. Have you got the sufficient information regarding RTI, knowledge in context with RTI? समझ में आई बात RTI के बारे में?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So now this is RTI. It is true. Next, media is like a watchdog in a democracy. Correct.
True.
Next,
True.
freedom of speech and expression has no limitations.
False.
False है ना? तब बिल्कुल false है। अगर मान लो आपको limitation नहीं रहे, तो any person can say to anyone anything, right? Other person will not allowed to speak others. No, so there are some limitations. Now, a very big share of Indian media is owned by political parties. Is it correct? No,
Sir, false.
it is false, because a very big share of Indian media is owned by some rich families, industrialists. Here it is written political parties, so it is false. Any problem?
No, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? अब देखो बेटा, ये है डिफाइन मीडिया, हमने आपको पढ़ाया है स्लाइड में, पीपीटी में। Why is media called a watchdog of democracy? So all the answers are given. If you have the book, you see the page number 171, right? Second paragraph, last second paragraph, you see. Here it is written, media is like a watchdog in a democracy that keeps the government active and the public involved. Right? From the position of being a
Yes, sir.
medium of information, it has become a powerful force in our daily life. है ना ये? Media is called watchdog because watchdog, what
Yes,
do you
sir,
mean by
it is
watchdog? You see the word meaning, vocabulary, keywords given in your book in the last page. Last word you see, and yesterday I have already explained, literally also. Watchdog means the one who makes sure that people in authority, I mean people in power, in office, do not misuse their power. ठीक है? अगर कोई officials, कोई government person or any person, it misuse their power, what happened? Media highlights their bad activities or that illegal action, and then and there right action is taken against such person, such officials, right? So it plays the role as watchdog. And second one, what? It keeps the people involved. How does it happen so? All the programs and schemes and activities are highlighted by the media. People is engaged in these activities because they, the people see or watch the television, news, reads newspapers. All these activities remains in the knowledge of the people, and people are free to take action against the wrong work. If their demands are there, they put their demand before the government by the help of media. In this way, media plays very important role. It stops the officials to do wrong, and it keeps the people involved. In what ways does the cinema affect our views? In
So
slide,
it is given in 169 page.
okay, you can search it. Not these are the lines, right? All these answers are given in your slide. Okay. So first of all, you see here, if the question comes, how many types of media are there? You will write, no, what is defined media, right? Here, defined media, इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा. Media is the plural form of medium. It means the several ways to communicate many people at a time, right? This is the answer. What are the examples? Here examples you can see also. Media, television, cinema. No, all these things are the example of media. Are you watching it?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes,
very good. Now second answer is, you have seen why it is called the, okay, just now I'm seeing here. Actually, in the next PPT, the answer of the second question was also given. Now I have already helped you by saying the page number from where you have to search Watchdog. In what ways does the cinema affect our views? Right? So the importance of cinema, importance of television, in this way, this work you can do, right? तो पेज नंबर कितना है उसका? डिस्क्राइब द रोल ऑफ मीडिया इन डेमोक्रेसी. रोल ऑफ मीडिया, यहाँ तो मनी का हमने दिया है आपको. देखिए, इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड, यहाँ देखो मीडिया एंड डेमोक्रेसी. दिस इज द बेस्ट आंसर. मीडिया क्रिएट्स अवेयरनेस एंड एनलाइटनमेंट. मीडिया क्रिएट्स पब्लिक ओपिनियन अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज. It exposes scandals and builds confidence of people. It is the main source of information regarding different plans and programs. Right? Next, television. And answer the television conducts many panels or meetings, discussion, quiz programs, and in this way, media helps the person to get the answer of their queries. All these answers are there. Media brings out defects of the government. Is not sufficient answer. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will do this one. Next question is what? What are the different means of print and electronic media? I think it is very easy and you can learn a lot. You have learned a lot. These are the examples. Now here, what are the different means of print and electronic media? You see, This is the print media and this is electronic media. Are you looking at?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are demanding to send it on WhatsApp group. I will give it. I have already given in your Snap One homework app. And today also, if you want to get it, I will upload. These are the print media and electronic media. Examples are given. Billboards, newspapers, periodicals, books, journals. Electronic media, radios, television, films, mobiles, computers. Have you make out it? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my dear. Okay, if you have any problem, you will ask, what other basic rights are linked with the right to information? You tell me, what other rights are linked with this right? What other basic rights are linked with the right to information? The right is closely linked with our basic rights such as freedom of speech and expression, right to education, etc. What are the two? Freedom of speech and expression and right to education. Have you understood? You see the page number
Yes,
171.
sir.
See the page number 171. If you have read the book, you can search it. On the top you see, first paragraph you see, Act of 2005 was passed, and this right is closely linked with our basic rights such as freedom of
Yes,
speech
sir.
and expression and right to education. Can you do this question answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now next, all the rest question answers are given in different slides of the this PPT that was used in previous classes. The links I have already sent to you, and it will be with you. You should keep safe to the link to reuse. Okay, you will do it. Rest later on. I will help you. Now, if you have any problem, you will ask it on the WhatsApp group.